Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what to be expecting on Swiss franc JPY for the week. So those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share your comments. So let's take a look at Swiss franc JPY. Let's start with our trend. We will start with our trend and we clearly can see that on Swiss franc JPY we are an uptrend move. That is our overall trend. We are bullish on Swiss franc JPY. Now if you take a look at this here, this is our high. Here comes the higher low. This is also the higher high. Comes the higher low. This is also the higher high. I took out this previous high. Here comes the higher low. Our next movement on Swiss franc JPY will be a new higher high. That should be our next movement. Take a look at what market is doing on this 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame is currently dropping. So we would like to see it drop to this level, which will serve as our rejection and our demand zone. If Swiss franc JPY can drop at this level, we would be expecting it to push up again. So first a drop on Swiss franc JPY, can now start expecting another bullish move. More updates will be covered. Just stay updated and subscribe if you haven't yet.